Hello everyone, this is my Screencast-0-Matic. We're going to start first with my Weebly page. As you can see, this is my home page. Just a little bit about me. Picture of myself. I'll go into my biography page. So here's my biography page. Nice Caldwell colors here. Nice picture of the cougar head. This is my word assignment from the summer semester. My Excel page. This is all pretty easy stuff. Professor Straub did a great job explaining everything with this unit. PowerPoint as well from the summer semester. My webcast. Just go here, copy paste. Oh, I don't want to do that. Copy the link here. Okay, and I'll take you right into my web quest real quick. So this is my welcome page. We'll be doing chapter 5, math, multiplication, division, and fractions. The description, let's learn how the past chapters go along with multiplication, division, and fractions. Grade level 9 through 12, math, some of the keywords, multiplication, division, fractions, math, and then special ed 9 through 12. Into the introduction, kind of just gives you a brief overview of what this chapter is going to be about, the tasks, how does multiplication work, how does division work, what are fractions, keywords, numerator and denominator, the process, multiplication and addition go hand in hand, division is the opposite of multiplication, I'll change that, fractions and divisions go hand in hand, and then flashcards are a great way to study. The evaluation, so everything will be based off of 3 points. So 1 times 1, if you know that, you'll get a point. 1 times 2, therefore, and so on. Mary did the best. She got a perfect score. Jack got a 10 out of 12, which is pretty good. Allie could use some work, and so can Rick. The conclusion here, throughout this chapter, you've learned multiplication, division, and fractions. If you've struggled, don't be afraid to ask for help. Practice the set of flashcards you struggled with. And this is my teacher page. So standards of the Idaho Common Core is multiplication, division, and fractions. Go back to the Weebly real quick. So this is the other example. In my classroom technologies, I did the Facebook's group. So you can kind of see it right here. And then the Screencast-0-Matic page, obviously, that I will implement right here. Thank you all for taking a look at this, and thanks once again to Professor Straub. Did a great job explaining everything for this unit.